Cash Giraffe lets you earn rewards by playing supported mobile games, completing surveys, and using other offers inside the app, then redeeming your balance for available rewards. This walkthrough covers the setup, earning process, tracking, and cash out steps, so you can test Cash Giraffe without guessing what to do next. Start by installing Cash Giraffe from the official App Store and create your account. Use the same account consistently because your gameplay activity and rewards need to be associated with your Cash Giraffe profile. After signing in, open the main rewards or game section. You should see games and offers that are currently available to your account. Select an offer and read its requirements before installing or launching the game. This part matters because different offers can have different conditions. One may reward general playtime, while another may require you to reach a particular level or complete a specific achievement. Follow the requirements shown inside Cash Giraffe, rather than assuming every game works the same way. Next, check your phone permissions. Cash Giraffe needs the appropriate tracking access to identify eligible activity. On Android, review the app's permissions and usage settings if your progress is not being recorded. Once tracking is working, play the selected game normally and return to Cash Giraffe to check your progress. If your balance increases, continue until you have enough rewards for the redemption option you want. Cash Giraffe also provides surveys and other reward activities. Check the available offers before starting another task because the available rewards can change. When you're ready to withdraw, open the rewards or cash out section and select an available payout method. PayPal and gift cards have been offered by Cash Giraffe, but the options shown can depend on your account and location. Before confirming a withdrawal, check the exact minimum displayed for that reward. Do not rely on an old screenshot or another user's balance because payout requirements can change. If a cash out is missing, first verify that your account information is correct, and check whether Cash Giraffe has requested additional verification. If the problem continues, use the app support option and provide the information they request. The basic workflow is simple. Install Cash Giraffe, create your account, choose an offer, follow its requirements, verify that tracking works, earn rewards, and redeem them through the available cash out options. Your next step is to open the app and test one offer before spending significant time on it. If your progress tracks correctly, you can decide whether the rewards are worth your time. Like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe walkthroughs, fixes, and earning guides.